For this fertilizer we need to get any leftover water bottle is there, right? There we can add banana peels pieces. Wherever the leftover banana peels we need to cut into small pieces and put it in bottle and shake it. So we need to keep this one for 3 days, and every day you need to shake it 2 times, morning and evening, and after 3 days it will be ready. All the potassium contained in bananas will mix with water, and it will spread all over the water, and this water we can use for the plants.
So this one we made our fertilizer made from bananas. You can see lot of some potassium formed in water after 5 days. I will open, you can hear some noise when I open the bottle cap, and some bubbles will also formed inside. You can see that. So this one we need to extract with filter or any cloth, and that one we can give it to the plants, because lack of potassium, a lot of blooms are not coming on plants. It will increases blooms in any, especially for the rose plants or any plants in the flowering stage converted into fruits. That time you can give this potassium fertilizer. It will improve blooms in our plants. And also this one is the one of the, see, lot of bubbles are forming on the bottles. You can see that, see, and this one you can give it directly like this. You can cut into pieces and soak in water, and as well you can dry it on sunlight and made it into a fine powder. That powder also you can give it to the plants. And the other thing, you can ferment with jaggery these banana peels and made Chauhan Q banana fruit fertilizer, and that one also you can give it to the plants as well. The fertilizer forms like this. This one twice in a week you can give it to the flowering plants, especially for the rose and chrysanthemums, like that. Whatever the lacking potassium plants, some plants have a lot of green leaves and not buds are shrinking, so that time you can give this potassium. And as well for the money plant pothos, you can give this one for the foliage. Like that you can use this potassium fertilizer for the plants, and you can store this one for 2 months in the cool and dry place, not sunshade, not sunny place, like a sunshade, like in your cabinets, any garage. You can store this one. It will bloom enhancer. So these banana peels, you can give in the 3 forms, like this, and dried ones, and the Chauhan Q banana fertilizer. These are the 3 methods you can give it to your plants. And this potassium, whenever the potassium lacking, it will the buds are shrinking, the buds coming little but not blooming well, and it will not foliage all the blooms. So that time you need to give it this one. Banana is the best source for the potassium, and with this wastage you can use for the plants and grown very well. So this is the video about how to use banana fertilizer and how to increase blooms in your plants. And this is the organic way, organic fertilizer. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this, please share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.